Remington Ranch Hand. So far, it seems to be hitting pretty good and hitting pretty hard too. If you guys use this stuff and like it, leave it in the comments and let me know. What kind of 22 rifles you guys running? There we go. Let's try that center block. Let's see how many of these it takes to destroy that center block. Oh, empty. So, don't really know how it would run automatic, semi-automatic, but I will say it's putting them right where I'm aiming, so I don't have any complaints there. Now, just to the right of the gongs, I got that bottle of water. Let's see how she does on a bottle of water. Well, I hit it, but it's not popping. I can see the water. Can you see the water leaking out of it? Where'd it go? Well, I lost it. Back to the gongs. Okay. All right, well, out of this gun, it runs pretty darn good. Average velocity was 1,228.7 feet per second. Right there. The minimum velocity was 1,141.4. Max velocity was 1,242.1. Standard deviation was 28.9 feet per second. Stream spread was 100.7 feet per second. Foot-pounds of energy was 127.1. Accuracy, I thought it did pretty well. I'd like to run this through 1022 or a TX22 and see how it does. That ammo, so far so good. Tell me what you all think. Thanks for watching, and God bless.